smart sports facilities, using sensors and other technology to monitor and control lighting, temperature, and other environmental factors. With the use of smart sports facilities, athletes can train in optimal conditions, reducing the risk of injury and improving overall performance. Another important area of development in technology in sports is the use of video analysis, which can provide coaches and athletes with detailed insights into technique and performance. With the use of video analysis, coaches can identify areas for improvement and provide targeted feedback to athletes, helping them to refine their skills and optimize their training. Furthermore, technology has also enabled the development of smart sports leagues, using data analytics and other technology to optimize scheduling, game strategy, and overall league operations. With the use of smart sports leagues, teams can improve their performance on the field or court, while also providing a more engaging and entertaining experience for fans. However, there are also challenges associated with the use of technology in sports, particularly around the potential for technology to exacerbate existing inequalities and biases in the sports industry. It is important to ensure that technology is used in a way that promotes fairness and equity, and that ethical considerations are taken into account in the development and use of technology. In conclusion, technology is transforming the world of sports in a variety of ways, providing new and innovative ways to enhance athletic performance, engage with fans, and optimize league operations. While there are challenges associated with the use of technology in sports, its benefits make it a valuable tool for athletes, coaches, and fans alike. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of technology in sports, shaping the future of athletic performance and engagement. Another important area of development in technology in sports is the use of blockchain technology for secure and transparent transactions related to sports events and transactions. With the use of blockchain technology, sports organizations can create secure and tamper-proof records of transactions, such as ticket sales and athlete contracts, improving overall transparency and reducing the risk of fraud and corruption. Moreover, technology has also enabled the development of esports, which are competitive video game tournaments and leagues. Esports have gained popularity in recent years, with professional players and teams competing for large prizes and a global audience. The use of technology has allowed esports to become a new and innovative form of sports entertainment, with a growing fan base and ecosystem of sponsors and investors. Another important area of development in technology in sports is the use of social media, which has transformed the way fans interact with athletes, teams, and sports organizations. With the use of social media, fans can follow their favorite athletes and teams, receive real-time updates on events and game scores, and engage with other fans from around the world. Furthermore, technology has also enabled the development of sports science, using data analytics and other technology to improve athlete performance and recovery. With the use of sports science, coaches and athletes can optimize training and recovery, improving overall performance on the field or court. However, there are also challenges associated with the use of technology in sports, particularly around the potential for technology to alter the nature of sports and reduce the importance of human skill and physicality. It is important to ensure that technology is used in a way that complements and enhances the natural abilities of athletes, rather than replacing them. Another important area of development in technology in sports is the use of robotics, particularly in sports that require precision and accuracy, such as gymnastics and figure skating. With the use of robotics, coaches and athletes can simulate and practice complex movements, allowing athletes to refine their technique and improve their performance. Moreover, technology has also enabled the development of smart sports gear, such as smart helmets for football players, which use sensors to monitor and analyze head impacts, reducing the risk of concussion and other head injuries.